ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਜੀ ਘਰ ਹੀ ਘਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ
Tried untying the camel at night. The already very angry camel caught him by the neck and lifted him up before throwing him back to the ground. It took 25 villagers about 6 hours to calm the angry camel down. To antagonize, it's the elephant, especially the lion. They are highly intelligent creatures with an incredible memory. They're also very emotional. They are known to grieve the death of their own kind. Sometimes this grief can turn into anger and result in vengeance. Back in July of 2016, a group of 16 elephants belonging to 2 different herds wreaked havoc on several villages around the Chagas Forest Range in Kionjar, India. The invasion lasted for 2 whole weeks and resulted in the destruction of 54 houses. People initially thought that this was to vandalize the man's car. They used their jaws to make dents in the car and bit the windshield wipers. The man was shocked when he awoke the next morning to find his car full of dents. He only realized what happened when a neighbor who saw the dogs attacking the car told him.
Run.
Scared. Oh, puppy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Đứa này nó biết cái đồ ai vậy? Tát cả, ta đúng mà, tát quần. Tát này luôn. Really?